Good morning. It is Thursday. It's Thursday, guys. This is the hair for today. I'm gonna show you the suits. I want to get one picture, so you know. But this is the blouse. We got a shorts, and we got our sandals. Hey. Anyways, Lisa, I'm gonna move for myself. So let me move. Let us go. Bye, room. Bye. I said don't talk to you. Maybe after that time you can just turn it off. Yes. And Mr. Bambi's gonna stop by for dancing too. Yeah. Leave her. Guys, this stuff to see animals something because one zoo there. Excited?
Yeah, but me have food in my bag and me I try to hide it. Cause me know say
You push it go weirdo.
yeah, but the bag is like
Wrap it between your clothes and you know. You should have put a weird on their bottom. Because them all get tired, they now go and go down so far. Actually, hi.
Yeah, we're there. Go on easy, but.
I'm good.
I'll look at you touching.
I feel like one touch, but I'm not sure. You know what is scared. Where's me? I got touch. When I'm over here, I don't like people. Scared. No good. Is that right? We just look.
Look at the bravery.
I love how they're brave.
hi Ziggy, how are you?
Is he rough? Yeah.
Hi Ziggy.
Watch this.
Listen,
I'm afraid.
you're so brave. I'm proud of you.
Ow.
You're afraid, you know?
You might put on your bag and come.
Alright, so you take that back. You can put it going up on the shoulder.
Smile now.
Best smile.
Yes.
Smile of it.
Yes. So that's it? Somebody take the camera.
Take the picture by touching it.
Okay. Okay, relax. Hi, smile. Alright. Yes, me take one leap of picture. Alright. Keep up before you start panic.
Tickle. I'm not 3 foot did the fan this.
Don't panic. Please do not panic. Go closer. Don't panic. Don't move. You go, girl.
Alright, don't go far. I'm ready now.
She's ready now.
I love you, but yeah.
You all have a nice day, no?
Okay, bye, birdie. Bye. That one I shall not touch.
One.
Oh, you're so squishy. Hi. Ziggy. Ziggy Molly. Ziggy. Okay. We take a picture.
Show me mother Sammy. This is my iguana. I bought her. I'm gonna
Your father will cuss you out.
After Kitty Puss.
Talk truth. After you care on the kitty.
Thank you.
Oh,
Yeah, go for me towel.
You're good to be. It's here now. Python. I'm assuming this is a
Ball python.
Where is it?
I don't know if I see any in there, but this would be the
there it
entrance.
is.
Where?
The snake is right there. So
Oh, hi!
Looking in the log.
He's on the he's relaxing on the log.
can't hardly see it, but yeah, it did it, people. It did it. Yeah.
See it? Where is he?
See blocks.
You know, this reminds me. You remember the show? You remember the show with the animals and they say, oh, this one is cute and these are the little ones.
Yes.
And they're like, well, we're cute too.
Hi. One up in lightness. Sit up this up.
Take some picture now, just quickly and take a picture.
Just like they hardly show you. See through glasses and it's on here funny. They hardly show it now. It not really show that much.
not show
Because in the panel
glare.
glass, the glare panel
And
something
in
like
dark,
them now
so
we
yeah.
have show.
Who
are these? I don't see any sign for them.
More birds. This is Ziggy. Hi, Ziggy.
It was nice meeting you, Ziggs. Nice meeting you. What's his hair?
This is parakeet,
Olive-throated parakeet.
parakeet.
Where's it? Oh, hi.
Hey, if I didn't want owl, then take what they couldn't get to put on me. Owls creep me out, you know.
Where is it? I haven't seen
But
any.
it's cute though. Owls creep me out. We didn't want to turn in their head almost 360. Yeah. Nope, not about that.
Can it
So that's
show?
a
It's
barn
not
owl
showing.
guy. Because I glass.
Oh,
If
I want to section.
you guys
Yes, guys. So this is the barn owl. So it's really cute. I love these. Hi, cute.
fellow.
And how are you
doing? What you want to try to?
You.
What's up? Pig.
Oh,
Y'all are cute, you know?
oh, he's coming towards us. So cute. Ooh.
Your thing.
So it's turquoise. Hi. 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 They're looking at me. You're so cute. What are these? Jamaican slider. Aw. You're so cute. Could you move for me so I can see you moving? Aw. Are you gonna move for me? Aw. Cuties. What is hair? What is here? The teeny baby ones. The baby wee wee ones. Oh, there's a big one over there. Cute. So cute. They're so cute. What do I have? In a one bag.
It's here.
What is here? The alligators? Do not throw anything in the pond. What is in the pond? Nothing? Hello? Okay, I guess nothing is in there. Bye. Alright, so it has a bar and grill. This is so cute though. Where did he say have the let us see. Come along. Talk to talk with us. She's nervous. Come on. No, that's seriously. You know, like, yeah, rough with shit, but actually, the funny step of dance, that's at home. That's true. Guys, this fall just look, like me nah go come up on it at all, nah go work. I don't know. So nice, people. Alright! One more there. They could have never want to come down here and have the bathroom. Yes, guys, this is the falls. Talk shoot! Oh God, finally! Chalk places! Oh God, imagine if you go back up on that. Oh Jesus!
I reach ground.
Alright, this looks like a little shelter area. Talk shoot! But who don't really climb a fall and not come back down?
That fall is quite big. I can't even tell you the main thing. Listen, I'm not climbing no fall. I walk up.
And I saw what is happening. Oh!
Stand up.
Hi!
Water is cold.
Oh my gosh! This feels nice! Wait, it's a leaf. That's nice. Take him to the thing. Yeah, okay. I ain't climbing. That look too steep. I'm coming. But I have the videographer and photographer. This now work. Woo! Say hi to the vlog.
Whoa, she make room for me.
So, yeah, go ahead. Wait, want me to wait it? No. Alright, go on. Put your pen in.
For the vlog, they are in the water and they are swimming and I'm videoing and this is for the vlog. Cats are wetting up our heads, guys. Sophie and Lisa has gone way up there. Sophie! Lisa! They're gone up there. And we're here at Konoko Falls. Stop, come.
Alright guys, that was so lovely. Whew, I feel refreshed. I ended up dipping the hair, so at least that's the wash off here. I don't have to wash, I just go home and then right. So yeah, we're actually gonna leave now. We just changed, so gotta leave. Sad that we have to go, but we hear thunder and we don't want to rain in case we don't need, because we have a long step. You see the step them we walk down today? We have to walk back up them right now. So we actually want to go up before the rain comes. How was it, Toby?
It was so good.
Oh gosh. Guys, how was it?
Yeah.
How was it?
Listen, bird mouth.
How was it? How was it?
It was great.
Woo, boy. We're gonna stop vlog coming near the job. I'll see you guys at the top. Oh, we have to wait sister. Anyways, but last look at the place. Alright guys, I'm leaving.
They didn't climb it. I did.
I should have one water something if you go to camp. Guys, you see that little hole there? Woo! Best thing ever. Nice.
Alright. Okay, and the others are taking their sweet time. They're very tired climbing up the steps. So I made it to the end of the falls. Walking, not climbing. We stopped climbing right around there. We didn't come up that ridge. And that's the hole at the top. That's the sinkhole at the top that we're allowed to use. And that's a Yasis lookout. So I'm going to walk up to the Yasis lookout. They're coming. They're on their way. You see Kay? Yeah, I'm going up to I'm gonna take up my bag and then head up to the lookout, right? Come up your star. Alright, so we're going to the lookout, people. This is really pretty. Like, nature is so cute. Look at that. guys. Oh, that's cute. This is gorgeous. Very. Oh my god. Guys. Lovely. You can't even show what. Guys. This is beautiful. Beautiful. Alright guys, we're dark, but yeah. Bye place. It's so cute. I'll see you next time. Yeah. So this is bye bye for now. If you want to see, the place has gotten dark. It is time to go. We have to go. Alright, let's go. Oh, these are the other birds that we didn't come and see. These are the ones I saw. Hi! Hey! There's so many. They're so cute.
You know, feel weird friendly. You know,
yeah,
you know what
friendly,
support.
like say,
Yeah.
yeah.
This are from supermarket. Look at them with the things them in their hand. In their hand. Things them in their hand, people. Then we're going home. Okay.
And we go home.
Mommy, I don't run
take one early evening. I am
every evening. Mommy running. Alright guys, it's food time. Food time.
That's where you should sit. Sit and look at me.
So guys, we got, what do I call this again? Lo mein. No. Bye. Lo mein, sesame chicken, and I got some shrimp.